Hello, my lovely Loc minions. And for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Umfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, hair guru for Locs. And on this channel, I just want to go over the Loc chronicles of my life. So, for those of you that don't know, and most of you probably don't know, and this is why I'm sharing my journey. One thing about your Loc journey, you discover new areas in life that you did not know of. Loc, I don't know what to call this. All I know is I had these locks, right? And I had a vision. I started them. I didn't know what was gonna happen as they matured. And you learn a lot about your hair when your hair starts to grow out. And so when my hair matured, the nape of my hair, or the nape of my neck, is that what I want to say? Back here, I would have hair that would grow, and it wasn't attached to a lock. It wasn't attached to a lock. So I would have hair that would grow, and I'm like, this hair needs to go into a lock. So over time, I would just twist it. I would twirl it, and I'm like, ooh, I think it's turning into a lock. And eventually, it turned into a lock. And let me tell you, I was so happy about this thing. And this is the lock. And I was so proud of this lock, you hear me? But I want to share with you the pros and the cons of your locks. Some locks you will lose, some locks will fall out, some locks will try to fall away from your locks. Some locks will be too thin and you merge them so they could be stronger. So you do different things to adjust with the journey of your locks. And so I just twisted that thing and created a lock. And over time, I started to interlock it. Interlocking is my best friend because of my hair, the texture. It just works better with interlocking. So I interlock every 3 to 4, maybe 5 months to keep the integrity of the lock and the base of it. And my hair's been doing good with that process, and that is what works best for me. So one day I interlocked my lock, but I think I interlocked the lock in a way that it created a knot. And I've been trying to fix the knot so it can be closer to the base. But over time, the knot created a distinct difference between my loose hair and the lock, where the lock was weighing down on the loose hair and it wasn't locking. And anyways, with that comes thinning, and eventually your lock could fall out. And I used a lot of things. I did the crochet method. I interlocked some more. I twisted that thing up. I did the rubber band method. And let me tell you, this lock said, not today, Satan, not today. So eventually it fell off. And I just wanted to share that journey with you, because with locks, you will come into different phases of your hair, and it's important for you to learn how to adjust. And with that adjustment, you win some and then you lose some. So if you stayed and watched majority of this video, thank you so much. And come here. Come here. Don't forget to go to my channel, Locs for You to Love. and bring that ass back. Bye.